I just did a video. I found the pins I was looking for, but the pins are, I got her for this freaking thing here, which I don't know if it's clogged or what, but is that the original pin there? I don't even know how far that goes. Oh yeah, not very far. All the pins I have won't fit in there, else I, so that's kind of dumb. And I think they fit in the back here, yeah. I got extra long ones for the back. I'm going to put in there with some thread lock. But I don't know if these are hardened steel pins or what. Don't think so. But yeah, I got these metal pins for the Wilton. I'm going to get everything mocked up, get it all set, and maybe I should just drill a freaking big hole like that. It's only, what, a little bigger? Nah, it's got enough holes in it. I'm going to have to make some of these, probably take one or two of these and tear them down on the lathe. That might work. I'm not really good at using the lathe, but looks like I gotta use the lathe. Any excuse. The other thing I'm going to be doing soon is, if I can get out here during the day, I'm going to take the collar of it and I'm going to weld the, I'll show you. This is going to get done soon. This, I got to do this real quick. Show you. I'm going to weld all this, just blob the shit out of it. Then I'm going to jack it on my lathe and I'm just going to cut it off down nice and smooth. And just, maybe just weld this up a little and shave it all off. And then polish it up really nice, because I mean, look at it, it's gross. I mean, I could leave like that. Some people like that kind of patina, but I don't. I think it's stupid. I'm gonna, the base, I'm gonna try to find some decent color paint. I don't know, I might make it nice and flashy. I like flashy colors now. Maybe make a pink Wilton or something a little wackier. But I'm gonna do the swivel base first and tape it all up, paint all the parts and be painted. Get this done after I might tack weld, do a little bit of welding there and then peen it down. Apparently you can weld cast iron, and I'll just shave it off. Doesn't be perfect. Apparently you can make take weld or if you want to cast iron. Yes, sometimes it don't work very good. If it sticks okay, just a couple of spots, grind it off. After that, I will make some jaws. The milling machine's all ready to go, and I'm going to make some jaws for, what was I going to do for? Going to make some jaws for the little vise that's right here, and this one. And once this is mocked up, that's done. Actually, I should, what do you call it? I gotta buy the GB weld for this. Gotta make the pins, grind this end down, pop the pin in there, and put some GB weld, or some Loctite, not GB weld, Loctite. Under Loctite, drop it back into the vapor rust, and I want to polish this. Somebody did a horrible freaking job with a grinder or a file or something here, so I want to smooth this out a little. I want to see if I can at least. It's not even like, it's not even round anymore. It's kind of like square. It's like flat. So I'm like, maybe I can fix this problem, make it a little nicer. Maybe I'll hand sand it. Use a hand sander and just. But it looks like they took a lot of meat off here. Like there's gouges everywhere. I also want to stamp the words 2022 in here. I'll put RF 2022 refurb. So anyway, that's it for that. Thanks for watching.